Nina is a 1.5-year-old border collie. She's an experienced trail dog, and we go everywhere together. So why not go for a run around the plethora of trails around Squamish?
Good morning, Squamish. On the menu this morning we have spicy slabs, fresh roots, delicious berms, juicy jumps, and brown pow. Now that's some seriously gourmet shit. I am so confused. Which way do we go?
She absolutely loves to swim and jumps in every body of water she sees.
Good girl, Neith. Come on back.
After a quick dip, it's nap time. Gotta recharge those batteries to go for an evening ride later. Thanks, girl, for keeping up with me. Biking with you is a blast, and I cherish these special moments. Music by Nihilore, Bush Week. His links are down below in the description. See you guys next time.